I love you, you know. You're a nice girl. You say thank you?
Yes, I did.
Your shape okay, your teeth are white, you're pretty, you look good.
Thank you.
But every man come near you comes problem. Is it?
True.
What is it you're not doing where the man them have to live?
Too kind.
You're too kind?
Mm-hmm.
It's not that.
Is what?
It's not that. It's because you're old-fashioned. You're not climb grill. You're not sit down pan table. Pan the river aware. Not slip. You're not cream here and flash it. You're just old-fashioned. Now you're a pretty girl, nice girl. But you're just old-fashioned. Can you dance? You see? You're shy.
Yes.
You not ride bicycle. Come here. Somebody love you and they want to marry to you. But you have to do a little bit. You ever do moonwalk? Step up the thing. If you cream your hair or you not cream your hair, God not kill you. Pretty it up. Put on liquor. Watch me. Watch me. Do something. But this one we have come as a good man. Sometimes you have to climb up there. Go home. Go home.